guys, we are getting ready to head out for the day. I'm out of breath because I just came from upstairs, sorry. I've recruited my husband to help me with work. So what's going on is the private jet that I primarily fly on is going into maintenance. Once a year, maybe once every other year, I can't remember. He just walked in the door. The plane is flown down to maintenance and they tear the entire thing apart to make sure like there's no cracks in the fuselage and the wiring is good and that it's just a safe aircraft for us to fly on. So today is Friday and the plane is leaving for maintenance on Monday, but I need to take all of the contents off of the plane. So it's a lighter load to fly. And so while they're doing their test flights, none of my dishware or china breaks or anything like that, but also it's winter and the plane is not going to be parked in the hangar like it normally is. It's going to be sitting out on a ramp and we don't want the sodas or the waters or like the Bloody Mary mix or anything like that to explode in these cold temperatures. So my husband is going to help me very quickly take everything off of the plane and then we're going to go grab lunch and I'm going to take you guys with me. And also you might be asking, why don't the pilots just do this work? You are a very pregnant lady. And I offered to do this because even though I'm at the point where I'm not flying anymore, I'm not technically on leave. And it's good for me to be active through my pregnancy. Apparently, if you're active, it helps you labor better. And I would be moving anyway, or I would just be sitting at home doing nothing, which is not good for me. So I volunteered to do this. I work with good pilots. They did offer, but I feel like I just want to do my piece. So you can see the plane is empty. Nothing is flying to maintenance, but there's so much soda and water and stuff on this jet that I've got to get off. And I'm like out of breath again. So I brought some more bags up and hopefully I can just fill those and then be done with my chores for the day. Now we have more soda drawers back here because you could just never have enough on a private jet. Oh, let's see if I can remember where the extra soda is. I did. And then I've just got that cubby of water and we're good to go. All right, so my flight attendant duties are over and my co-flight attendant's duties are over.
I think I did good. I just spilled coffee on myself.
He did spill coffee. I think you would be a good flight attendant.
I think so too. I think that people would really like the way I
carry bottles of water down the stairs.
Carry bottles of water down the stairs. No, we all know it's more than that. I really enjoy seeing the little detailed stuff that you guys do.
The ins and outs and the workings that I try to show you guys, not just glamorous layovers and fun adventures, but a lot of behind the scenes stuff.
Yep.
That I have to have my husband help me with because I'm too pregnant to carry things.
Yeah, well, I'm happy to be a part of it, happy to see it, and one day we'll do a job swap.
Oh boy.
In a nice island. Make sure it's a nice layover.
There you go. There you go.
I don't have to do much.
I would like if you were my flight attendant. I would flirt with you.
You would?
I for sure. Look how cute he is.
I like that. Oh, yeah, we gotta cut this out. Don't use that. Don't use
it.
that. No.
I'm using it.
No.
You guys are watching. Give him a thumbs up. Super cute.
Stop. No, please don't use the onion and stuff.
So we found our way into a Target. Surprise, surprise. But yesterday, Jonathan and I put together, well, he did, I supervised the baby's crib and the glider ottoman. And we just need some decor to finish off the nursery. So I asked him to come to Target with me. He happily obliged because we're in the video game section. Not paying any attention to me.
Sold out. PS5.
PS5 is still sold out for all of you who are curious. But I will show you what we pick up. I already have a cart full of stuff. A bunch of clothes and a tripod for vlogging. Now it's time to get what we really came here for. So we picked out the curtains. We're going for a neutral theme in the nursery. So a nice cream color. It kind of matches everything else that we have going on in there. We found a cute shelf with no price tag on it. Baby potential. We did find the baby's rug though. Might be a little too glary.